Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is Mubashira Naz, your science teacher, and today I am going to present the topic climate and adaptation. My dear students, you are well known with both the terms climate as well as adaptation. Now, what is the relation between the two? I'll try to make you understand in this very short lesson. Hope you understand. My dear students, climate has a profound effect on living organisms. Animals are adapted to survive in the condition in which they live. Dear students, you are already known with the term adaptation, which means to cope up with the severe conditions by developing certain behavioral and physical changes in the body. To understand it better, we will take the example of polar bears. My dear students, polar bears live in extreme cold weather in the polar regions, which bear cold for most of the year. Polar bears have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. It protects them from their predators. It also helps them in catching their prey. To protect them from extreme cold, they have two thick layers of fur. They also have a layer of fat under their skin. In fact, they are so well insulated that they have to move slowly and rest often to avoid getting overheated. My dear students, polar bears have also other adaptations to live and to survive in the extreme conditions of cold. To understand all the features of polar bears, we'll go through this chart to understand it in a better and easy way. Look, my dear students, the white fur is not easily visible in the snowy white background. That means this way polar bears can hide themselves and find their prey easily. It has a very strong sense of smell. This means they can smell their food, their prey, etc. It helps the bear to locate and catch its prey. It has long, curved, and sharp claws. These help it to walk on ice. It has a layer of fat under its skin. The fat insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm. Also, the white fur is not easily visible in the snowy white background, as I said earlier. Its predator and prey are unable to see it. It has two thick layers of fur. These keep it warm in cold weather. The fat insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm. These are the features of polar bears, my dear students, which help it to survive in the cold weather in a much better way. Hope you have understood the lesson. Inshallah, I'll come up with another example of penguins very shortly. Hope you understand the lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.